Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to extract RAR files on Linux. So first of all we need to go into terminal because I will show it in the terminal. So we're going to show us and press on terminal. And first of all I created two RAR files. One is without password and the second one requires password in order to extract it. I will show you two ways how to extract the normal like RAR file and the RAR file with password. But before it, we need to install a tool that we will be using to extract these files. This tool is unrar, so we have to type in sudo apt install unrar. If you are using different distribution than Ubuntu or Debian, you probably would have find the other installation command. On Fedora, for example, it should be sudo dnf install. On other distributions it could be different, but I don't know. You have to find it on your own. But on the Ubuntu, it will work. We have to press enter, type in our password, and now we have to wait in order to it to finish. Basically, we can clear that, and right now again we can use our unrar. How do we use it? First of all, we can use it to list the contents of the RAR file without extracting. So if I want to see what is in this RAR file without extracting, I can use unrar with option L, and then I need to write the path to my RAR file. Right now, right here, I don't need to write the full path because this is in the home directory, so it's right there, so I can just type without password and press tab, and that will work. And right now, as you can see, in this RAR file we have the name of it and two files, file1.txt and file2.txt. And how can we extract that? We can do something like this. As you can see, right now we have .env file right there. After the extraction, the file1 and file2 will appear, but we have to type in unrar, and right now the option X stands for extract, and right now the name of our file. So without password at the beginning, and we have to press enter. As you can see, extracting from without password.rar, extracting file1, file2, and all is okay. Right now, if I will type in list, as you can see, our two files appeared right there. And right now, how can we extract this archive.rar with password? We have basically two options. I will show you both. The first one is to just type the same command as before, so unrar and X and with password right now. And you have to press enter. And right now you have to enter the password for the file 3. The password is the password it is not shown right here, but the password is 1234. I have to type enter and use current password. We can press yes because the password for file 4 is the same. So we can press again yes. And as you can see, extracting file 3 and file 4. And right now we have all of the 4 files right there. We can remove them for now because I will show you how to, as you can see, they are no longer here, how to use password maybe in some more comfortable way, but not so maybe secure because everyone will see that password. But you can do something like this, X and -p, that stands for password. And right now you have to type in your password. For me it's 1234 and with password, so the name of our RAR file. It's useful because it basically extracts all at once and you don't have to click the yes and typing the password for each and every one file, because if you would have, for example, 30 files right there, the previous option would be not that comfortable as this. So I think that's also nice, and you can leave that. As you can see, we have file 3 and file 4 right there. And so that's basically how you can extract RAR files on Linux. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.